the maximum. There's the maximum amount of food to get.
No, ain't nobody getting this.
Nobody's going for a basement.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like to see them get our base. Get
Critical strike. Okay, that's good.
There's.
I'm just gonna rush.
They're
Let's just
at.
rush, guys.
They're at the Titan.
Let's just go.
Yeah, just pearl there.
Okay, let's go.
Just pearl there. Kill him.
I don't have pearls. I don't have pearls.
Why are you running from? Okay.
I'm rigid.
Do the fight.
Oh no,
do the
that.
fight.
Bro, Anthony wants to call.
Ignore him. Say that you're busy.
Okay. Bro, who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who?
I'm gonna get this guy.
I look
Watch this.
weird.
Got him.
Guys, I'm camping their base right now.
Get him! Get him! Oh,
Stop! I'm being killed. Help! I'm being chased home.
You know how we're
Get
gonna
in our bed.
We'll
We'll find them.
This
Our best
I think
here
he's older than me now.
Savio.
Guys. I'm at their base. Help. Someone help me at their base.
Bro, you just got limited to max, bro.
Guys, someone help me at their
You
base,
can't run.
please.
You can't run.
Guys, Sam is begging us to help him at their base.
We're yellow opinions.
We should.
That please was not desperate enough for me to help.
What the fuck?
That just blew up the bed.
We
have
just
the
get one in
resources.
chest. Not that.
So
Oh,
please.
yeah, damn.
Oh, he's flying. He's flying in the mid.
What it? Ooh.
Why is no one at their
That
base?
hit me right in the stomach.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Guys,
You wanted
chillax.
people.
Yeah, and you're not
people at
even
your
there.
Wait,
Chillax,
same
guys.
result in country.
Chillax, guys.
None of you guys are at the base. I'm trying my best to do all of this. I cannot do all of this.
Oh, wait.
Why is Minnie overstimulated,
Not
bro? Why is Minnie overstimulated? Calm the fuck down.
Maybe it's not that deep.
Here.
Minnie is
We're
overstimulated.
tied.
I can't die. I'm 10 emerald.
We need
Ow.
7 more rounds.
Come on, Sav. Come on.
Did someone just hit the Ariana?
No, save me.
Oh my god! They're here!
Oh my days. That's my kill. Ow! That's my
That's
kill.
my kill. That's my
I did
kill.
most of the work. You did none.
I did, bro. You did not do anything.
Sav, you
Look
there?
at you.
I did all the shit back.
You ain't do none.
I do so much. I could literally shit on you right now. Yeah. No, why would you upgrade the diamond generator? We could have had 3 more to get the armor. Oh my god, Stabio! Stabio!
Bro,
Anyways, as I was saying, I don't think we should rage during games, and I think I'm a very calm person when I play games.
guys.
No, the fuck you're not. Bro! Why is Lily just screeching?
Guys. Let's go reset the loot. Savio, where are you? Come on, let's go reset the loot.
No, I need 4 emeralds. Where's my 4 emeralds?
I'm gonna
Real
go.
ID 4 emeralds.
I'm gonna go MVP.
They're coming.
You cannot just prove
They're
my
coming.
Whoa.
They're coming.
Whoa.
Guys, I maxed out on every single thing that we can purchase with diamonds, okay?
Beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna teleport home because I'm so overstimulated. I'm literally gonna teleport.
Let's go, Sav. Let's go. Don't care about them.
Remember,
Sword.
Panic.
Build up and then.
Real.
This sucks.
let's go, guys.
You go in.
Let's
Just go in.
Yes, guys,
Where?
let's go in. I got an emerald sword. I'm so rich. I got an emerald sword.
This is so awkward. You know what? I'll get there.
Guys.
Help.
Me.
Help. I'm getting
Wait.
Savio, heal up, man. Heal up.
Yeah,
can't
heal up.
heal up.
Heal
I
up,
choose
man.
like 2 heals every second.
Suck it up,
I'm
buttercup.
running home.
Oh my god, I got like
Not
10 skeletons. Spawn egg. I'm spawn killing. I don't care. I don't give a
How is
shit.
this?
Yeah.
I hope it.
I'm spawning every single of my slaves.
I got that, guys.
Kill.
Get it.
Yep, I wrote.
10 more
Kill.
minutes.
Guys, Surat's coming for our base. Just break their bed. Oh wait. Yeah, Surat's coming for our base.
I got their bed.
Surat's coming for our base.
Okay, good.
Where? It's okay, guys. It's not like they're gonna win.
He's coming.
Kill yourself. What the hell is this?
I'm
Oh.
chasing him
Bro
back.
thought he
Wait.
was. Bro thought he could kill me. Bro thought he could kill me, but he could not. You could not.
It's giving skill issue.
Hit him down.
Yo. Which is massive.
Nice, good stuff.
Oh, let's go.
This game is
Okay,
so
I'm gonna go.
easy, guys.